You ready to build a rent-to-rent business that gives you freedom and financial independence? Imagine starting with zero experience and within months creating a portfolio of rent-to-rent properties that generate life-changing monthly profit. So my team and I have helped hundreds of people do exactly that, and today I will show you how. Hi guys, I'm Kenny Pittman, founder of Rise Up Rent to Rent. Our mentorship program has been designed to take people from dreaming about financial freedom to actually achieving it through a structured, proven approach. So whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale, we've built a system to guide you through every single step of the way. So business launch, we're going to start by setting you up for success right from the beginning. No drip-fed content, no guesswork. We give you all of the tools and the knowledge you need to get started. This includes a personalized roadmap, access to exclusive training resources, support from me and my team. Imagine having a mentor available to answer your questions, review contracts, check your due diligence, and guide you through challenges, Monday to Friday. You're going to join a community of like-minded mentees who are on exactly the same journey. They're going to share successes, learn together, share experiences. So the rent-to-rent space is quite competitive. There's quite a lot of people doing it, but we teach you on exactly how to stand out. So you're going to learn how to identify high demand areas, create a strong personal brand which will attract the landlords to the business model by offering real value. So whether that's high-end service accommodation or professional HMO buildings, we help you position yourself as the obvious choice. So our mentees aren't competing on price. They dominate their markets by adding premium services. If the landlords want the best price, they would just go with tenants. They're not looking for the best price, they're looking for the best value. In essence, a lot of people doing rent to rent, they're trying to compete on the best price. With systemization and scaling, so as soon as you secure your first property, it's time to scale without increasing any stress. We're going to teach you how to automate and outsource tasks like tenant management, guest communication, collecting guest payments, dealing with these power teams such as maintenance, rent collection with HMOs. So with our systems and our approach, you're going to focus on growth while maintaining balance in your life. You don't want to create a second job for yourself. This means more properties, more income, and less time spent on day-to-day operations. Our approach is proven so many times, and the results honestly speak for themselves. All you have to do is go to the playlist I've created, Mentee Property Tours. I drive all over the country visiting my mentees at their serviced accommodations, HMOs, whether they're scaling, whether they've just secured their first property, I am there. But we have Tiffany, who now earns £700 a month from her second HMO. Amar, who I visited this week. This property is going to profit anywhere between £700 and £950 a month. We have Troy, who was a complete beginner, secured his first serviced accommodation deal in just 4 weeks, bringing in about £1,000 profit per month. So these stories aren't exceptions. You can literally go to the property playlist and watch the mentees literally in their property walking around. They're examples of what's possible when you follow our system. So guys, if you've been watching me for a while and you're curious or ready to take the next step, here's what you can do. Go to the description, watch the free 20-minute training video linked in the description. It's packed with actionable insights to get you started. Join our Facebook group, Rise Up Rent to Rent. Just type it in, you'll see it. And follow me on Instagram. You know, I'm constantly posting in these groups, doing daily lives to give you motivation, tips, and behind the scenes content. So if you want to work with us, watch the free training video first. If it resonates with you and you're serious about making a change, then book a call with me. Yes, you will be speaking directly to me on Zoom. And at the end, I will help you decide if this is the right journey for you. So don't let the fear of uncertainty hold you back. Like, it is always a leap of faith. Lots of my clients just want to spend more time with their family, but they're just glued to their job, and they're just ambitious people, but don't want to be ambitious within their career anymore. They want the time back. So the first step is simple for you guys. Watch the free training, take some notes, and see if rent to rent is actually for you. Then subscribe for more insights on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.